I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya.
Tired. Yes, I'm exhausted. I'm deciding if it's a coffee day or a pre-workout day. It's kind of late. It's past 12. And I got the swag. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the gym. So, pre-workout's a better idea, right? Yeah, pre-workout. There we go. Oh, got most of it in there. A little more to keep the ghost away. Up to the eye, up to the eye, up to the eye. Oh, past the eye. Can't be perfect. So I went with the pre-workout. Let's see. This will get me going. Woo! Look at that. There. Shake. It's good stuff. Cherry limeade. But I'll probably have that later. Because I miss you so much. Yeah, I got a little headache. I was up all night. Not all night, but a lot of the night. Maybe till like around 3. Doing a lot of nonsense. But I'm gonna go to the gym, see what happens. You know, take a ride. It is winter, but I don't like wearing my jacket when I'm driving, you know? I feel shot, and going to the gym with a headache is never a good idea. Never a good idea. I should have took some aspirin. I can still go back, but maybe water will cure that headache. Just a lot of water, a lot of liquid, and try to get something done. You know, you can probably see it in my face. I'm like a mess. Let me put these shades on. There we go. It's a little better. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do a full day eating, document it. Right now I just got a pre-workout in me, got the branched chain amino acids on deck, got a headache, and it's 12:59. I woke up around 8, went back to sleep, woke up around 10:30, worked for around a couple hours, decided to step out of my humble home and go to the gym. All right? Yeah, I had a little bullshit workout. Wasn't feeling that well. I don't recommend this type of antics. You know, you stay up bullshitting all night doing some bullshit. You know, your next day, your workouts are sucky. But I'm about to get something to eat. Lately, I've been eating a lot of junk food. I like to do that during the winter months. You know, maybe bulk up a little bit. I don't like doing a dirty bulk, don't get me wrong, but I like comfort food, you know, when it's nice and warm, nice comfort food. But yeah, about to get something to eat. You gotta keep that six-pack year-round though. So don't ever fall too off the wagon where that six-pack is gone, you got a big belly, and you're wondering what happened. What happened? Alright, I'm about to get something to eat.
Thank you.
Brown. Peppers, onions. Black beans. And chicken. You can give me double chicken. Put a lot of them.
Want to get a burrito yourself?
Thanks a lot. Tomatoes. Well, I got my bowl. You didn't see the whole thing because my battery ran out. So I'll put it somewhere, maybe right here. It's a Panera and grab some coffee, you know. I gotta have a little coffee. I guess I'm addicted. It's not a good look, but it tastes good. I got the hazelnut. So. I think I'm gonna do a diner. I love diners because they have such a big selection, you know? You can always keep it healthy. You can go full slob on them and order the double cheeseburger. You can do whatever you want over there. And I love Greek food, and most diners are Greek. So that's what I'm feeling right now. What are we getting at the diner? What are you getting?
Apple juice.
Apple juice?
Tag.
Gotcha. I think I'm gonna go with the Greek salad with grilled chicken. Unless I see something else. Or chicken souvlaki platter.
Kids roast turkey?
Yeah.
Sure, do you want the gravy on it or on the side?
On the side.
Okay, and what kind of potato? Mashed, french fry, home fried?
A mash.
Mashed? And your vegetable? Corn, broccoli, peas? Okay.
Alright, I'll have a Greek salad with grilled chicken on top.
Okay, I'll put the dressing on the side. Do we need bread for the table?
No, just chickpeas.
All right, got those.
Great, thanks. Trying to keep it healthy. Maybe I'll eat some of yours. That guy, the waiter's too hyper. Right? Isn't he real hyper? I find him real hyper. When I was a waiter, I wasn't like that. I was smooth. I was nice and smooth. I was like, oh, what do you want? I was just, that's the way I got down. You downed it. I like to save it for my salad. And that's the big Greek salad. And they messed up his order.
Throw that at your face.
No! You know what this is?
What?
A grape leaf.
What's inside?
A lot of people don't like it, but it's the best.
Can I try? I'm ready for our appetite. What do you want? Soup.
It's good, right? No?
A little part of that.
What, the leaf part?
It's like
Mushy? That's what makes the whole Greek salad.
Who did you get your first tattoo from?
Some random guy a long time ago. Remember that,
Lightning bolt.
yeah.
Did you like it?
it was cool.
Did it hurt your first time?
Nah. Can I have some?
No.
Why not?
Ah.
What if I just take it?
Then I'll sprinkle you.
Oh, you gave me a spoon too. Isn't that ironic?
I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. Ow. There's a bomb on a bus. What do you do?
Tell me what bus it is and stuff.
All right. It's 25-25.